She's going to teach you how to fold. See if you can do it. Did you get it, or do you need her to do it again?
I can get it.
Okay, let's see. Let's see if Carter can do it, Camille.
All the dead people just scared. You little like
Is that right? Camille, is that right? Is it perfect?
Yeah.
Can you tell him how to do it any better? I think he's got it. I think you're a pretty good teacher. That's it. You're a good teacher, Camille. Tell her thank you.
Thank you.
Good job. Let's go tell your mom.